Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Speak English Together. And as you know, I started my YouTube channel a while ago, but I lost my consistency and behind that many reasons. But I don't want to go in too much detail about why. But yeah, I'm again ready to start this series because I am more confident before than. Yeah, I didn't upload any video, I agree. But I didn't stop my learning. I was practicing in the front of camera and I was practicing in the front of mirror. And I often use ChatGPT, and you know what guys? ChatGPT helped me a lot to improve my English. Yeah, I can't say I'm improved my English, but I speak better than before. And you know what guys, these things helped me a lot when I talked with ChatGPT. Yeah, these tools helped me a lot. And why I'm creating this video again? Because I want to tell you in this video I have made a proper plan to improve my English. And if you are like beginner me and if you don't any idea how to start, so you can follow my strategy. Yeah, everyone say practice, but what will you practice? So I will share you what I learn, what I used to do in daily basis, all the things I will share with you. What will I write? What will I listen? And these things, totally all the things I will share with you, and that things will also help you guys. Because if I will use this thing also help me, and you also help me. And you know what, guys? I'm not, I'm not speaking perfect, but I'm trying to speak in English, and that is the good things. At least I'm trying to speak in English. And yeah, I'm not afraid of making a mistakes, because I know everyone makes a mistake in the beginning and it is totally normal. And if you are like me and if you are making mistakes, so don't afraid of making mistake. It is just a part of learning. And these mistakes help you to learn new things. These things help you to learn better. So, you know what guys, practice is the more important things. And why I'm saying like that? Because I personally realize I also practice. I also do practice in the front of camera. And when I speak in the front of camera mirror, I feel confident. Yeah, I'm able to speak in English. That things motivate me a lot. And I'm here because I want to really improve my English. And why I'm here? Because I know you will support me and help me to improve my English. And I know if you are expert in English, you will also notice my mistakes and yeah, and comment in a comment section. I will definitely improve my English where I am making mistakes. So as I told you, I will share all the things. So definitely daily basis, I will share you what will I learn day by day. With resources, what will I use to do in today or next day. All the things I will share you. So it is all for the today. And I hope you will meet in the next video. Till then, take care.